We work hard to give everyone the very best, and when we hear we've made a difference, it makes it all worthwhile. Here's a fantastic review about just one of many happy experiences. It's obvious that great experiences like this always make us smile, but it also serves to remind us how important it is to provide everyone with the best service possible. We believe that our future success comes from our success today. And we'd love to leave you raving too. You'll discover the real meaning of great service and satisfaction when you work with us. We're confident you'll appreciate our attention to quality. We want to thank you for checking us out today. You can contact us at the number on your screen. We hope to hear from you soon.